Electrolux steam dryer repair. You might want to notice it says 18 minutes to dry. That's not real. If you're like me and you own an Electrolux dryer, you've had several problems with it. One of the #1 problems is you get tired of tearing it apart to fix the cheap stuff. So I've elected to cut a huge hole in the side of my dryer for easy access for the 1000th repair. If you look back here, you'll see at the end of the cheap little motor there is the plastic shield that goes around the bearing to isolate the motor from the bottom so the thing doesn't short out and shock you. Of course, you might notice that the fact that the little spring clip has popped off once again. Looking at the spring clip here, you'll see that this motor is sitting at an angle. The spring clip's actually probably grounding this thing out if it is an actual supposed to be isolated, and holding the motor in an awkward position where it won't run. So you tear this thing apart from front to back into little pieces and kind of hold it together to get to this clip. Or you do like I do and you get tired of it and you've elected to cut a hole in the side for easy access. Much like the rest of my Electrolux stuff that I've had a problem with pretty much every piece of Electrolux appliance I've ever owned. I miss my Maytags. So you remove the clip, noticing on the clip that there is little wedges that actually supposed to hold the motor from torquing from side to side. Now, if you'll notice the sheer tensile strength of the little teeny piece of metal that it sits on. It's quite the beautiful thing. So what you do is you get this thing jockeyed back into position, set it back down, and tie the spring clip back down. Once the spring clip is put back on there, it is my suggestion that you buy yourself a piece of 2x4. And you place the 2x4 underneath, wedging the motor in so that when the thing torques, it doesn't twist the motor down, ripping the wires loose. And I'm going to stop the video now so that I can finish my repair.